Ningbo Kreeda Sports Equipment Company Limited was established in 2015, which located in Ningbo Jiangbei Industrial Zone. Our company has the advantage of a convenient transportation, near to seaport and airport. It mainly specializes in the research, design, producing, sales, and services for home-used motorized treadmills, relying on excellent technical level and efficient, pragmatic, and visionary management team. Kreeda has become a highly dynamic and innovative company. The company has more than 100 types of treadmills, which suit for all kinds of people. All products meet different international certificates, and all products have passed by third lab testing, being considered as high-tech enterprise in Ningbo, owning independent intellectual property rights. Kreeda now has 3 pieces skillful production lines and 2 pieces CNC laser cutting machines, several automatic welding machines, and intelligent robots. Our company support ODM and OEM service. The company's production capacity has already exceeded 36,000 pieces per month, which could afford all global demands. Holding the spirit of quality first, service first, Kreeda has already cooperated with e-commerce platform for 9 years, and all products had been successfully sold to North America, South America, Eastern Asia, and most European countries. In addition to this, Kreeda is looking forward to cooperating sincerely with all global users and making a contribution to the health industry together. Kreeda is looking forward to have the opportunity to cooperate with customer all over world.